I got your baby.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
He really thinks he's one of the cats. Huskies have a way of telling you what they think without making a sound.
Do it.
I know, I have to go to work. Kermit, this way. He's waiting for me on the other side. Oh, Kermit.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
For big chaos in a tiny body.
She ain't moving.
You get that?
I think you know.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh, buddy.
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7
Huh?
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Oh my. Leslie. What are you doing? Uma, I just dug those tires out. You're not helping. Uma, wrong way.
Oh, hello.
Winston.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Hey, what did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No, stop it. Raggy, stop.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Stop working. Come on.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Actually, just put fresh litter in here.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Now, you're okay. You're okay.
Sit.
Tucker, please.
Eat it. You want it? You want it? Say, I want it.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Dog owners know silence usually means something terrible happened.
Reggie Foxy, come on.
Stay. Stay.
Where are you going? Hiding? What are you doing? Look at your mess.
Bean.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
It's the kitty bed. It's actually his bed. Carrie, you're on his head! Oh my goodness!
Lucy. That was not nice. Lucy. Stop. Ow. Ow. Hang on. Oh!
Big dog, even bigger need for attention.
Discussion dog.
Look at this little bitch. Uh-huh.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Hello. You want to come? sit in my bed. Oh my god. Oh!
Over here with me.
Raise your hand if you are super feisty today.
Hey, friends. Some.
How'd you get in there? You can try to snuggle? Mommy up here. There you go. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on. Smalls again.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Dad, you're my best friend.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
So the touch lamp is working. Okay.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Chicken nuggets. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Stop it.
Look at the side profile.
Luffy, you're gonna. Oh, he punctured it.
Yeah, his teeth are.
Stop it right now. No.
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's talking to you guys.
these two geniuses are like. So that's it. That's all there is to this lame game. Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Vesna, risotto, il s'est coincé la tête dans mon abat-jour.
Oh my god!
Don't try it. No! Oh, Michael!
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep...
Looks like someone is.
I'm so beautiful.
What the just happened?
And they did it?
You're evil.
Oh, I got her! Oh!
Oh!
What is this?
If it weren't for the door.
Whack!
You know.
You good?
Hey Human, where do you think you're touching? Look everyone, my servant's weird.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this. Buddy's teasing Bestie on the leash disguised as companionship, but hard to prove it.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you. Beat it, kid. Go play somewhere else. No special treatment just because you're small.
Dude. Wait till you see the... No.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
That's right.
Like, I don't get it back. You know, for example, I haven't received a single instance of physical validation.
I understand what you mean.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Birthday! Oh my goodness! Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow! Happy birthday, though. I love.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
How 快啊，小米。好可爱哟，这臭猫。
They have no concept of artworks, and it's just an ideal spot for climbing without falling over. our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
No way. No. No way.
He's gonna drown himself. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
I like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Come on out.
Please.
We're 16.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
What are you doing?
Gosh. How's that gonna go?
Sharky.
Sei viado.
Yeah, that's a serious snack.
Oh my god, Blue!
On with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah! Why are you bring him over here?
Just see what he's doing.
Ah, not this furball is helping the human by blocking his entire.
He's gonna drown himself.
Gary!
Huh?